Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, a little late getting this out, so it's going to be quick. I'm going to get right to the point. We are in a lower band ride, okay? Day 4, we've already engaged the lower band. They need to make a lower low versus yesterday, so you want to see them take out 38 quarter. Pretty doable. We're starting to see on this continuation contract on the front month. So the front month 200 to 43.40. We are, we've already kind of sort of tested it. 200-day exponential. Hang on. So we tested it yesterday. All right. We're consolidating a little bit here, but we tested it. They've got to convert that area if they really want the deeper move. Otherwise, and they still could, it just might not be in the next few days. It might not be as quickly as people want. We could consolidate for a period of time. Hourly chart, you can see it here. You can see it consolidating. That weekly pivot staying sealed off. Okay, you need to keep the hourly mid band sealed off at 43.64. If it can do that, then, just reiterating what I said yesterday, you hold this weekly pivot Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday, you're going to get directional downside pricing Thursday, Friday, unless you get some kind of a news bomb that comes in and just makes a mess of everything. The bulls had a decent regular session yesterday, but they didn't accomplish anything on an intermediate or a long-term basis. We're still below all the stuff that the bears need to be below if they want to stay in control. Steadily making new lows is all they need to do. They don't have to throw the thing off a cliff. It doesn't have to be dramatic. It doesn't have to be some washout. It's just a lower band ride. Any of those other things is going to precipitate a bounce. You can be long the bounce. You can stand aside on the bounce. I wouldn't fight a bounce. I'd wait for it to kind of peter out and then, come in and short it at that point. The thing you have to be aware of is one of these bounces is just going to come in, create a higher low, and then do a higher high. Don't fight that one. Get the hell out of the way of that, because that's going to test weekly pivot. That's going to test the 9-day potentially. Okay? And there's no sense, either be long or stand aside. Don't get all indignant about the market has to do this or it has to do that. It doesn't have to do a single solitary thing except what price wants to do. Okay? If it's not going down fast enough for you, tough shit. If it's not bouncing quick enough for you, tough shit. Okay? That thing on the screen there doesn't care. Trade price, trade what's in front of you, take your profits, understand that, we're up against some big areas underneath, like the 200-day, and that we're consolidating. And that a bounce that wants to run, you need to take advantage of it on the long side or let it run. When these bounces stall, you need to take advantage of it on the short side and let it work. But it was tough to get any runners going yesterday. We had enough middles. It was a good day, but as far as getting runners go that wanted to go, it was kind of rough. All right, volume weighted average price and the proprietary moving average are jammed in at 58. As I said, hourly mid is at 64. We are trading 48.5 right now. We opened the regular session yesterday at 48 quarter. So like I said, we are consolidating. They need to convert to 200. All right. Fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. If you want to see the pivots for the day, if you want to see the charts for the day, go over to the site over on Circle. It's all posted in the free content community forum. All right. Take care. Be well. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.